Welcome to Automation Development Corporation. Our plant and offices are located in Mentor, Ohio, 25 miles east of Cleveland. Since 1956, we have directed our attention, knowledge, and research to bring our customers the finest quality equipment for the processing of all sizes of bars, billets, and tubes in any quantity, feeding at any production rate to virtually every kind of machine under slipping or force-fed conditions. ADC has been the leader in the patented bar handling and feeding systems since 1969, with over 500 installations in the United States, Canada, and overseas. We service scores of companies which have turned to automatic bar handling systems to produce an infinite number of products from bar, billet, and tubular stock. Automation Development Corporation has engineered an innovative high-speed unload conveyor elevator system for tubular and bar stock. This unit was specifically designed to meet a customer's particular need in a tube mill. Historically, mills produce tubing more rapidly than filled and empty containers can be exchanged at the output end of the tube mill. Consequently, the mill must be shut down in order to exchange these containers. Efficiency of the mill declines and material scrap caused by the restart of the welding equipment is eliminated. ADC's unload conveyor elevator does not require machine shutdown, keeping pace with machine output at rates of up to 250 feet per minute and 60 parts per minute. The unload conveyor elevator is shown in operation at our plant. We are manually placing tubes onto the unload conveyor at the rate that a tube mill would deliver them automatically. This unload conveyor will receive diameters from 1.5 inches to 3 inches and lengths from 18 inches to 15 feet. In actual application, the tubes are cut to the required lengths by a flying cutoff and ejected onto ADC's high-speed conveyor and transported the required distance. An ejector causes the tube to roll onto a holding table. The mechanical operation of the escapements, rather than an electrical relay, valve, and cylinder control, assures the delivery of a tube to coincide with the availability of an elevator shelf. The elevator shelf raises the tube to a work height specified by the customer and ejects it onto one of the 2 storage supply tables. A special feature of the unload conveyor elevator is a slip clutch on the elevator drive. If a tube should jam in the elevator mechanism, the slip clutch releases the drive, preventing equipment damage. In this application, the customer will station an operator on this side of the machine. He will stack the tubes into a container. When the container on this side is filled, the operator simply moves the selector handle into the alternate position. This causes a cam to move into a position which contacts a roller lever. The cam and lever combination operates a hinged ejector which switches the tubes onto the opposite storage supply table. As the tubes accumulate, there is time to remove the loaded containers without any mill downtime while the operator stacks tubes into an empty container on the opposite side. This customer chooses to manually stack tubes. ADC also offers automatic stacking and/or accumulating. In this instance, we have been demonstrating with tubing. However, the same basic principle can be used for bar processing in cold finishing lines, bar cleaning lines, as well as many other process lines. In an inspection process, the diverters could place acceptable product on one side and rejected material on the other, manually or automatically, a definite labor-saving advantage. The overall machine construction follows ADC's standard high-quality, rugged tubular construction. We offer unique, basic designs in modular equipment, which permits the purchase of basic components that can be retrofitted with equipment already in a customer's plant. Each unit can be personalized to suit a manufacturer's special requirements. We are proud of our reputation for high performance, quality equipment which offers these special features: modular design, increased productivity, safe, efficient loading operations, and versatility in size and form of bar stock. Join ADC's ever-growing list of prominent industrial manufacturers who use our automatic bar handling systems for infinite numbers of products produced from bar, billets, and tubing stock. Nuts and bolts, railroad spikes, oil well drilling bits, radio and antenna tubing, automotive exhaust system suppliers, truck axle blanks, shock absorbers, transmission shafts. Automation Development Corporation, the superstar in handling bar.